Welcome to the world of health and happiness. We become what we eat. This is the old saying and present day fact. Dr. Kumar's Lifestyle Center, a well-known health brand introducing Health Shop, a unique and first of its kind concept. At Health Shop we serve products in the category of nutrition, Ayurveda, yoga props, naturopathy, herbal cosmetic, superfoods such as millets, seeds, mixed grains and many more, and self-care products. All these products are available under one roof. Our products are well tested and certified, all products made and procured with great precautions. Our health representative guides you in Health Shop for your health needs and helps you to make your personalized choice easy. Health representative also guide about the utility of all products. With our experience of last 18 years, our team of experts has made it easy for you. So now you do not need to go here and there to search and buy health products. Simply visit our nearest health shop. Health shopping was never so easy. We wish you good health.